Hello again, everybody. This is David, and I'm with Donna West and a horse that she has been training. One of the most important things that we have to do if we're going to be horsemen is how to bridle and saddle a horse the right way, and I understand that a lot of times we don't do it right.
Yeah, and a lot of times the horse is not educated to do it right, but I'd like to show you how to do it correctly and what you can ask your horse to do.
I'd like to see it.
Okay. All right. This is Breeze. He's an 8-9-year-old spotted saddle horse. I'd already taken his halter off, and we decided to do this, so excuse him for being quote-unquote naked here. But the first thing you want to do is make sure you have control of your horse. So if you have your bridle, put your reins under his neck, bring them over to you, and then if your horse walks off, if you have these close up behind his ears, you'll have more control. If they're way down here and he walks off, you're not going to have much control. If you put the reins over his neck, and he pulls, a lot of times it'll pull it out of your hands. So again, I want you to put it under his neck with your left hand. Your bridle and your reins are in your left hand. Pass it under his neck, grab your reins, and bring him over. Now, I've worked with Breeze to teach him to put his head down on pressure. Good boy. It's one of the first things you ask your horse to do before you start bridling, is know that when you put your hand here, that they'll drop their head. And I've also asked him, when I bring my hand this way, to give the pressure that way. So he's got the basics of head down and to come to you, and I'd like him to lower their head and to bring it to me. So what I'm going to do is the top of your bridle is called your crown piece. I'm going to put my hand over his ears. That helps him encourage to put his head down. Grab my bridle, pull the curved strap back, and what you do is you offer to your horse. You don't force it. You offer for them to take it. You feel for their teeth. Wait on him. When he takes it, bring it up. Put your right ear in first. That way if the horse walks off, you'll pull him to you. If you put your left ear in first, he walks off, he'll walk away. Be gentle with their ears. Pull their bridle up. Push their ear in forward gently. And bring out their forelock. Then do up your throat latch. Your throat latch should be where it has room, about a fist in here. I don't know if you can see that or not. About a fist room. Can you see that, David?
Yes.
Okay, and you do that up. Now, to undo your horse, to unbridle your horse, again, put your reins over his neck. Undo your throat latch. Put your hand on the horse's nose. Geldings and a very, very small percentage of mares have what we call canine tooth, and it's right in front of where the bit goes. So you want to teach your horse to bring his head, what we call on the vertical, which is straight up and down. So when you drop that bit, it doesn't hit his teeth. You're going to pull the crown piece up, wait, pull it forward, wait till he does that right there, blah, 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 and then drop that down. Okay? So that's how we want to try to bridle our horses and unbridle. Horses that have their ears roughly handled or their teeth hit a lot will become where they don't want to bridle, and it could be something as small as throwing their head, and I've had horses that rear when they see a bridle. So be kind to your horse. This is your partner. Thanks, Dave.
Very good. Thank you.